Hey everybody, it's me Sissy back with a Christmas DIY. This is a DIY using a plate from the Dollar Tree, a decal I cut on my Cricut, and some assorted bow and some greenery. But it's just to show you how you can make something really special that doesn't cost a lot of money. I'm gonna tell you right now, I had some trouble with this video. I had some trouble with the decal, but I got it done. So just remember, if I can do it, you can do it too. I made it look way harder than it is. So this is, don't take this as a, I don't know how I want to say it. Cricut, using a Cricut is a lot easier than I made it seem. I use it all the time, but I don't know why. If I turn the camera on and try to do something with the Cricut, everything that can go wrong will go wrong. But I finished it. So stay tuned and see what I made. Puppies. Okay, we're in Cricut Design Studio, and this is a file that I purchased from someone, I think from Etsy, and I'm going to go ahead and scale it to the size I need for my plate, which I think was 7.5. And there I'm just putting the color in it so I can, see which parts. The letter Dachshund is going to be cut out of the dog, and then the letters Through the Snow will be in black. So, and then since I want to center it on my plate, I'm going to go and select a shape. Got to catch up. Okay, yeah, I'm going to select a circle, and I'm going to make it 7.5 inches, or 7.25 inches, I can't remember now. And I'm just going to send it to the background because I want the dachshund to be on the top, and I want to make sure that it'll fit inside that circle. And I'm going to select both of them and then align them. Yeah, center them so it's in the center. So I know that my dachshund will fit on my plate. Then I'm going to attach it. Then we're going to make it, click make it, and then we're going to send it to the, nope, I'm going to go back. I changed my mind. I was going to make the circle white so that y'all could see what I was doing. Oh. Y'all, I'm not very good at this. Okay, so I made it white so you could see exactly what was going to be cut out. So then I'm going to make sure that I got it attached. That's just so your circle won't move. If you don't attach it, then it'll move your circle to a different mat, and then you'll be cutting two things instead of a circle around it. So then we're going to hit continue and send it to my maker. We're going to select the vinyl. There you go. You can set your material. I'm going to pick premium outdoor vinyl, and then we're just going to send it to the maker. Okay, so we got our decal cut with the Cricut, and I'm just going to kind of take my scissors and cut around a little bit from the edge of that circle that I used in Design Space, and I'm going to show you why. First, we're going to peel off this part. Okay, so that leaves us a pretty good circle, and then I just like to cut around the edge. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is just a guide. Okay, so when we put it on our plate, I can see about where the center is going to be. So that's the only reason I did that. And now we're going to peel it, and I hope this peels easy. I haven't been having such a good time peeling stuff lately. So, let's see. Let's pull up a corner. And I like to clip so I don't have too big a piece of vinyl, because sometimes it'll drop down onto what you've got on there and pull it up, and we don't want that. So let's peel that out, and then let's just clip this off right here. And then we don't have to worry with that. Okay, so let's you don't have to do it all in one swoop. Every time I try to do that, I end up messing it up. So, and these are very skinny little letters. I don't know why I keep doing this myself. I could make them tiny or thicker font, but the little skinny ones look so good. So sometimes if you take a straight edge like your scraper or a credit card or something, and you put it down and put the vinyl, like hold it tight and kind of pull the vinyl, it will kind of leave your letters there. Oh, I got too many little letters, y'all. Let's see what we're going to do. Let's kind of cut that. Oh, I'm making a mess. Cricut is not hard, y'all. I'm just making it way harder than it has to be. Oh, y'all, I messed up one of my letters already. Dang it. Oh, poopy. See if I can fix that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this bottom part. Glory be, y'all. Alright, I got that finally weeded. Dashing through the snow. Alright, so we're going to take our plate and just a little bit of rubbing alcohol. We're just going to clean the plate. That'll get any grease or film or fingerprints, oils of any kind off of it. And it only takes it a few seconds to dry. And put our transfer tape. And the tape is not quite wide enough, so I'm going to piece it together. So I'm going to put, and I like to just take my transfer tape and kind of stick it to my shirt to get a little bit of the sticky off, so that it won't pull my letters back up when I try to peel off the tape. The way this one is going, I'm pretty sure that's about to happen, so. Alright. So let's get that on there. And then we're going to squeegee it down. Okay. Now, take our plate and we're going to put, let's see, we want him to go right in the center. That looks to be the center. And I'm just going to stick this transfer tape to the plate on that side over there. So that'll kind of hold it so we know where we want it to go. Then we're going to gently peel. Keep an eye, make sure that all your stuff is coming up. Okay, get my transfer paper out, and then we're going to gently put down the center and then work out from the center. And that went fairly well, y'all. So I'm hoping that pulling this transfer tape up is going to go as well. So let's cross our fingers. And since this is two-part, because I pieced it together, we'll just peel this one. And if you kind of go at an angle, sometimes you have better luck. Oh, y'all, it came up. And I saved my transfer tape. You can use this again. Okay, and then this. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Just going to pull it at an angle. And worry about those little tiny letters down there. And we got it. Whew. Alright, now all we need is a little embellishment and we'll be through. Okay, I've got this buffalo check ribbon that I got at Michael's, half price. So we're just going to make a little bow to go on here, and I'm just going to fold it over. Okay, so I'm going to measure how long I want my bow. So that's, so I'm folded it over just like that, and then I'm going to fold it over again to make 2 more loops a little bit shorter, and I'm going to clip it off. And then I'm just going to pinch it in the middle. Take some, this is just some black ribbon, and tie it in the center. Just tie it in a knot. Then we're going to clip our tails off. And we're going to go back in and clip this piece off in the front. Okay, and we're just going to fluff out our loops. This is wired ribbon, so this is good. It'll fluff out good. Fluff that one. Fluff the one in the front. Do the same on the other side. We got a cute little bow, and then we're just going to glue it in the corner right here. Okay, and then I've got just some little greenery. And we're going to add that on top of the bow, and then we're going to put a little bit of these red berries on there for just a little touch of color. just going to put a dot of glue. Those down, and then we're going to put our berries right on top. Okay everybody, that's it. We finally finished. This down here is not glued or anything. I just kind of stuck this down here for the moment, trying to figure out did I want something down here. To me it looked kind of plain. See if you just take it off. But that's kind of cute too. But I just stuck this little greenery right here. And then I'll decide if I want to keep it or not. But anyway, that's it. I hope you liked it. I made it way harder than it had to be. But anyway, if you have a Cricut, Dollar Tree is the best place to find things to embellish, because you got a nice little decor piece here. It costs you $1 for the plate, a few cents for the ribbon and the greenery, and 1 sheet of vinyl. So, excuse me, not even a whole sheet of vinyl. So anyway, remember, if Sissy can do it and struggle to do it, but I did get it done. So y'all get out there and do something, and y'all get out there and make something, and even when it gets hard, keep going. You'll get it done. I love y'all. See you later. Bye-bye.